Recently, electric scooters have become very popular, and I wanted to make my own from what I find in my garage. We bought 2 such stars and a bicycle chain on the market. We need 2 wheels. These are the wheels from some old tricycle for children. I don't know if they can withstand a person or not. We'll find out just that. As a reducer, we will serve here such a hand drill. It is still quite old, the USSR is broken, but I think it will do for the gearbox. Let's make it on the basis of this 24-volt engine. As a frame, we use this kind of pipe 25 by 25. It can withstand a person, and this is the most important thing. The fork is from a bicycle, but the wheel will not be installed like this, but most likely somewhere like this. Of course, it will be cut off and done the way we need it. Here will be such 2 batteries. We'll connect them in series to get 28 volts, although the engine is 24. Well, 28 will be fine for us too. So, we made 3 parts. The first one is this fork from the bike. Look how we've redone it. It's almost perfect. Even the rotation almost does not wedge. The next part is our driving wheel. Welded the bearings, centered the sprocket. By the way, it was hard to do this because, well, there are no machines, there are no flanges, and it was just done manually. So, we check how it rotates. That's the rotation. Asterisk, of course, walks a little, but nothing. The main thing is that Val is no longer walking. He walked unreal at all. There you see there in the hole, you can see that the shaft is curved. It was distorted due to welding, so I had to weld the bearing evenly, and it will ride. So, I'll show you how it will be roughly assembled. This is the front part, but the back part will be located like this. That's it. There will be a drive. There will be a gearbox. There will be an engine. Well, we continue to collect further. Let's go. In tow car, I ordered this adapter from 12 mm to 10. This is in order to connect the engine to the gearbox. Also, with the help of a tap, I cut the thread in order to fix both sides. A little test. It turned out to be such a device. You say, why these fasteners? Batteries, if you know, are expensive components for screwdrivers, so we will not spoil them. Instead, we use these car batteries. At first, they wanted to put one, but the motor is 24 volts, and most likely it will not go well on one. Then we decided two, and then we think, why not, let's have three. Therefore, we made these fasteners here. Two batteries will be placed here, one here. The person who is going to go, he will, as it were, put his feet here, he will sit here. Here, of course, we will make some kind of saddle. In general, this is how we got a scooter. I don't even know if it's a scooter, or a mini bike, an electric scooter, something like that. Well, it's time to test this scooter. Oh fuck, and that's it. After the test, the gearbox broke down, or rather it did not break, and the slots moved away from each other. It was decided to slightly alter the design. Added a pressure bearing. That's the way it is. And also made a more or less sensible chain cleaner. And we also decided to paint the scooter orange. I liked this color the most recently. The scooter is ready. Now we install the batteries and we can start the test. During the shooting, we lost the sound. At first, I ran into the sand with a turn and the scooter was carried away a little. And so the scooter turned out to be really cool. It's nice and unusual to ride it. Most of all, I like the way it starts. It somewhat resembles a trolleybus. I wonder how much power reserve he has on these three batteries. It is still not very clear how such a load affects this engine. Since the engine is designed for 24 volts, and we feed it 36. The engine warmed up so well in 5 minutes of driving. In general, if you liked the video, please like it and write some interesting comments. What kind of homemade craft would you like to see on our channel? Good mood to all and bye.